Hello everyone. This is a bit different episode. This is a special episode, let's just say that. Today we're gonna tackle the heating unit again. See how to remove the inner radiator, the interior radiator, to change it. Not for me, but that's a special, let's say, request from future tense 84. And this one. And also wanted to say big thanks to everyone for 100 subscribers. That's a lot. So 2 in 1. Finally got a request to make something about something special, and I can use it for a 100 subscribers special episode. So yeah, a little backstory on how to remove the heating unit. I will include up here links to the how to remove dashboard and how to remove the heating unit itself, all those videos. But let me just quickly walk you through that, because I have my second body there. And yeah, for future 1084 you can just skip to, I guess, this time to see the removal process. So for those who haven't been following, this is the aftermath of cutting up the previous body that I will throw away and put on this one. And yeah, the heating unit, for those who don't know, it's located underneath the central console. You can see part of it there. Yeah, you can see it there. That's the whole block. Here's the entry, the motor for the heating unit. As you can see, this one has filter of some sort. Second one didn't have. But yeah, to remove it, just unscrew these 4 screws. 2 on this side, 2 on the other one for the central console. Remove all the accessories from the front and you can take it out. And then the heating unit itself, we're gonna look at that in a bit, just to see where the screws are. You can see one already where the brown wire is connected, and how to tackle that one from the inside. But first let's look under the hood, because the easiest way for you to remove it is just to undo these 2 pipes. When you undo them from the engine bay, these slide out together with the heating unit. I will also show you on the second one. So when you do that, you're gonna be left with this. It has all the switches here, the control panels and everything. I removed them, but I think you just need to remove metal cords and that's it. But yeah, still you can look at those videos I added. And this is what it looks like from the other side. This is from the engine bay, the two tubes that I told you. Pretty simple. And to remove the radiator itself, you need to, like this, undo just this part, the tube part. Let's try that and see what happens. So I hope everyone can see it. I made an improvised desk thingy. Yeah, about the screws, I promised to show you where the screws are and didn't do that. And basically, it's held in by 4 screws on the lower corners and 1 on the upper side. Oh, 3 screws, sorry. And it also has this air distribution unit underneath that's also held in by 1 screw. I don't remember now, but I think it also needed to go to remove this one. So yeah, let's remove this part, and I think it's gonna let us remove the radiator itself. Otherwise I think these screws gonna be involved. Let's see. Let's start by just undoing all the mounts on it. Loose and easily accessible. Yeah, again, thanks for 100 subscribers. It's a big milestone. Well, the real milestone is 1000, because that's when I get something good out of YouTube. But still, I'm making these videos mostly for myself, just so I remember how to put it back together, and just for the fun of it. But really thanks for all the likes and views and everything. 100, I wouldn't believe it if someone told me a year ago. If I ever make it to more than like 1000, then I guess I'm gonna think this was funny, but anyway. Okay, I see that this is holding it in place also, but we can see, you can't, I can. We can see that when I wiggle it, I can get to the radiator. Now we just need to undo this small, I don't know what the hell that is, but oh, it's a clap for this. Okay. Oh, it's a spring. This little part, it's a spring. So I can just twist and turn, I guess. Jeez, the spring is so stiff. Yep, I can. It's off. Okay. Is there something else holding it in place? Ah, no, just wiggle it out. So basically, yeah, the mounts for 3 mounts for tubing and 1 mount for the radiator itself, and it's out. Let's see how much junk is in there. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, and this is what we have. So again, I guess the interior heating radiator comes without tubes. I guess only this plastic part is together with this, as I can tell, because it's all welded together. And yeah, just remove the pipes. If you have these kinds, I don't know, maybe other people has something else. Yeah, just remove them, put onto the new radiator, and let's try to get it back in there. Clean your heating unit again, don't forget, otherwise you won't have as good of an airflow as you would like, and we don't want unpleasant rides. I guess the trickiest part will be to get this clap back on so it works again. Don't know. Let's put stuff back. Who knows, maybe I'll need this heating unit at some point, or I will sell it or give away as a gift. Hard to tell. Not even sure how would gifts work, considering that I'm from Latvia, and I'm not sure how many locals are looking at this considering that I'm not talking Latvian in my videos, of course. And every day I'm talking mostly Latvian, but still. So future tense 84, if you made it this far, just stick it in and should be golden. And when you change it, your leaking one, don't forget to comment under this video how it went and was this helpful, because damn, I'm trying to help everyone that I can. Like I already stated in some of my videos, and by all means no mechanic, and I try to help, and these videos maybe aren't professional, but yeah, I'm doing this as DIY do it yourself type videos, just to help me mostly. So the more interesting part, getting back the little spring, this little spring. This is a spring, and we need to get this little hook back on there. I need to use both of my hands for this, sorry that you won't see as much. Oh, it wasn't that hard. Okay, cool. And it's back together. Oh, I'm leaking coolant fluids everywhere. Okay, let's see, does it work? Yes, if we wiggle this, you can see on the bottom it works. So this is how you change the interior radiator. This was a fun experience. Actually, I thought that I would need to take apart more of this heating unit, to tackle that, but still. So this is the end of 100 subscribers special episode, so to say. But yeah, hope this helped future 1084 and some other people that's trying to replace their interior radiator. That will help me at some point, because I don't know, that is something that I'm used to have problems with on my cars. So in the next episode, what you will probably see is I will try to remove all the drive shafts, the gas tank. I guess most of the tubing, brake tubing. Also, yeah, the power steering pump got to go. Basically everything that's left on the frame to be able to remove the engine, because I got my, well, I didn't get, but I kind of talked to people and I can land a hydraulic engine remover stand or whatever it's called, I don't know. And I will be able to remove the gearbox and the engine itself. And then the only thing that's left, to put this body to the sanding, send this body to sanding. I decided I will at least sand this body and see the actual condition of it, because there is, yeah, we're gonna cut into this a little bit, but yeah, as you can see, the rust got here, so my rear axle can break off pretty easily. Okay, and I see that this is bent. Okay, that's fun. That's what you get from off-roading, I guess. Fun times. A lot of broken parts. It's confusing how are they broken. But yeah, because this is my original and it's gonna be easier for me to continue working on this one. Also, I thought why this 33-inch tire was scrubbing the inside of the wing. I think it's something to do with a broken suspension on this side. Yeah, it works like a charm. Fun. Okay, thanks everyone for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. 100 subscribers special. Hope you enjoyed it. And see you in the next episode. Bye.